Hello everyone, this is Dr. Muhammad Naeem and today I am going to explain that how to write an effective PhD research proposal. As we know that a PhD program is a very crucial program and it started with a research proposal. A bachelor's or master's research proposals can be just a few pages while the proposal for a PhD dissertations and research fundings are often very large and detailed. A research proposal is designed to persuade someone that your study is worthwhile, such as for your supervisor or funding body. If you want to know that how to write a research proposal, so you must watch my video. In this video, I will explain step-by-step procedure that how to write an effective research proposal for your PhD study. The format of the research proposal varies between the fields, but most of the research proposal must contain the following sections. These are the title page, introduction, literature review, research design, and references list. Let us explain what should include in each of these sections. First, the title page. The title page of the research proposal includes the proposed title of your study, your name, your supervisor name, the institution and department name. Make sure that your title should be concise and indicative of your research main focus. The introduction section. The introduction is where you hook the readers and demonstrate the relevancy. Here you should introduce the context of your research problem and show that your project is interesting, original, and important. Here are some questions to guide your introduction. First, how much already known about the project? Second, for whom it is interesting, such as policymakers, scientists, academics, etc. Third, what are the key questions that you aim to answer? And finally, what are the main hypotheses of the study? So you should state your research question or hypothesis in a clear and an unambiguous manner. Ensure that they are specific, researchable, and feasible within the scope of your study. Highlight the expected outcome or contributions your research will make to the field. So this is all about the introduction section. This another section of your research proposal is literature review. A strong literature review convinces the readers that your project has a solid foundation in existing knowledge and theory. It also shows that you are familiar with the field. In this section, you are explaining how your project is contributes to conversations on your topic. If you are not known about that how to start the literature review, watch my video on how to write a literature review. The literature review also includes the theoretical framework, which explains the theoretical underpinning of your research, define the concept and variable that should explain how they relate to your research question, and draw the multiple theories or models that justify why you have chosen these and how they integrate. Research methodology is the next step of the research proposal. The research design or methodology sections should describe the overall approach and practical steps you will take to answer your research question. Here are things that you should describe in research design sections. First, research type. So it is a qualitative research or a quantitative research, whether it is a primary or secondary research. Sources, who or what will you actually study? Research methods, what tools and procedure will you use in your study? Data collection method, from which sources you have collect your data. And data analysis, what are the statistical analytical tools and techniques you will use in your study. The final section of the research proposal is references or reference list. The references list must include proper citation and references list for every source you have used. It is important to keep track your sources right from the beginning. Use a consistent citation style such as APA, MLA throughout your research pro- proposal. Compile a comprehensive list of references that includes all the sources you have cited in your proposal. Besides these steps, another important point that should also consider while writing the effective research proposal, these are implications. To finish your proposal on the strong note, you can explore the potential implication of the research for theory or practice and emphasize again what you aim to contribute to existing knowledge on the topic. For example, your result might have implications for confirming or developing a theory, challenging current assumptions, and creating a basis for the future theory. Expected results offer insight into the potential finding of your study. Timeline, depending on the requirement of your program, you might have included a detailed timelines of your study. This aimed to show that your research is feasible within the timeline. You will explain that what you will do in each stage, how long it will take to complete each and every stage. Revision. Like other academic writing, it is essential to edit and proofread your research proposal before you submit it. You may use the professional proofreading service to remove grammatical errors and format your proposal in academic style to improve your research proposal effectively. Before you go and start writing your research proposal, make sure that to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.